and money. The Bible has a lot to say about money, and as Christians, I believe this topic deserves deep study by us Christians. Matthew 6:24, Jesus warns us that we cannot serve two masters. We will either love the one and hate the other. We cannot serve both God and money. And I think that the reason why God and money are put, as options, because I really believe that money has the power and the ability to rise to a point of worship and if you think of what worship is and what service is, there are many people who are like, money, 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 and they are working so hard and doing everything to everything's about money. And I think if we shift our motive where money is a result versus a reason, it will make a huge difference. So I really wanted for us to look at this concept of money as a Christian, because I really feel like this is an area that is a impending possible problem for us, and it deserves study. Hi, Trudy Berman here of Profitable Stewardship Inc., host of Christians and Money Radio, and I really want us to dive into this today. So there are many ways that we as Christians interact with money, and I'll make a few videos to cover each topic. But for video number one, I just want to go over the many ways that we interact or access money. Number one, wages, interest, debt, saving, lending, and profit. And I will go over each one in each subsequent video in this series. Thank you for joining me, and I see you in the next video.